speeding up your virtual machines. Virtual machines can sometimes feel sluggish, but with proper optimization, you can significantly improve their performance. This lesson covers the best practices to make your VMs run faster and more efficiently. Optimize CPU and RAM allocation. Ensure that your VM has enough CPU cores and memory allocated, but leave sufficient resources for the host system. Avoid overcommitting resources, as it can lead to performance bottlenecks. Use SD storage instead of HDD. Storing VM files on an SSD dramatically improves boot times and overall responsiveness compared to a traditional hard drive. If possible, move your VM storage to an SSD or NVMe drive. Enable hardware virtualization. Make sure that VTX or AMD-V is enabled in your BIOS settings. This improves VM processing speed and allows better resource utilization. Optimize virtual disk performance. If using dynamically allocated disks, consider switching to fixed-size virtual disks for better performance. Regularly defragment and optimize your virtual disk to prevent slowdowns. Reduce unnecessary background processes. Disable unused services, startup applications, and background tasks inside the VM. In Windows, use Task Manager to stop unnecessary processes, and in Linux, use systemcdl to manage services. Use lightweight operating systems. For tasks that don't require a full-featured OS, consider using lightweight Linux distributions like Ubuntu Server or Alpine Linux. These consume fewer resources and run more efficiently on VMs. Optimize networking performance. If your VM suffers from slow network speeds, switch from NAT to bridged mode for better connectivity. Also, update network drivers and limit bandwidth-heavy applications running inside the VM. Enable 3D acceleration for graphics. If your VM runs graphical applications, enable 3D acceleration in VirtualBox or VMware settings. Allocating more video memory can also improve performance. Final thoughts: maximizing VM speed. By properly configuring CPU, RAM, storage, and network settings, you can ensure that your virtual machines run smoothly and efficiently. Regular maintenance and resource optimization are key to keeping VMs fast and responsive.